sir. Go ahead and turn this bad boy on. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Double up on them. Dun, 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 dun. It's your boy, Mr. 21. Yeah. Make it clear. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Double up on them. Dun, 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 dun. It's your boy, Mr. 21. Yeah. Make it clear. What's going on, my beautiful people? It's your boy, it's Mr. 28 West in the building. Yeah. Oh my God, it is a hot one today. Of course, it's Vegas. So what do you expect, baby? Let's get it. All right. For the people that like me to get straight to the point, all that, skip right past the eggs, beans, potatoes, and mashed gravy. This vlog is basically going to be about my beautiful NDfilter. Yes, bro, yes. I hope, let me throw these little videos in here. Real quick. Ooh, bow. Okay, so if you see that and you don't want to watch a vlog, a motovlog, basically talking about my NDfilters, how I feel about it, why they are important, and all of that, go ahead, click off, go do your thing. You know what I mean? Do all that stuff that you like to do. If you do a vlog, motovlog, or any type of thing of that nature, go ahead, tag me in there. Let me see that. Let me put it in my comment section. Let me see your video, and I'll learn from yours. You know what I mean? I can't take advice from people that ain't doing it. I can only take advice from people that's really doing it. Man, listen. Let's start off with this. So if I showed you the two clips that I needed to show you to get this thing perfect, I bought some NDfilters long time ago. Shout out to my boy Clutch First. He made this video, and I watched it with, I felt like he made the video specifically for me, man, because I talked about having crispy audio, crispy imagery. Oh my God, bro, the filter blew off. Anyway, the start of the video, I had the filter off, so right now it's gone. I guess it just flew off back there. Oh well, I got a couple more at the house, so I'm not really tripping on it. But he had this vlog basically showing me what an NDfilter does, what it's supposed to do, right? And I'm probably gonna get that thing later on tonight. I'm most likely gonna pick that up tonight. But basically, this NDfilter just makes your videos look super crispy, super good. It's dope. It's dope. I have no complaints about them. I done seen what they can do, what they can't do, and all that in between. It's the best thing to do is to get one where it's in it, because I got a filter on this one on my helmet, but it's a clear filter. It helps. It's like a 8, but yeah. So basically what the filter does is just make your video that much more better. I use Adobe Premiere to edit my videos, so it's not really hard to color grade, but the filters that you put on there, they are so dope. They're great. So I made a vlog not too long ago discussing NDfilters. This was like last year, but I didn't get to really use the filter correctly or on my bike because first off, I couldn't afford one, and then second off, I basically got the wrong versions. Now, what I like and what I don't like are two different things. So, I need to explain this. What I like is that the Sandmark, they send you quality products. It's great, right? It was made of glass, so I'm pretty sure when I come back to go pick that thing up off the road, that thing gonna be broke. It's okay though. I mean, like I said, that one I had on here was actually the darkest one that they had. So, and they're they're not really expensive, but they're not really cheap either. It costs like for those 3 filters that I have, it's like $80, which I mean, it's a little expensive, but you pay for what you get, right? What I don't like is what just happened to me. So I had the filter completely clicked on, and because of the motorcycle aspect of it, that thing did not want to stay on that long. So I should have just put a little, like, I probably end up putting like a little double-sided tape in there so it can make a stronger bond or something. Like, that's crazy. But other than that, I really, oh, and I had to order this open face case because it doesn't fit around normal cases. So take that into consideration too when you purchase this thing. This setup is really weird. Yeah, I cannot believe that thing flew off. I don't know if I should make this vlog. Basically off the fact that I was supposed to use the NDfilter and now I can't because it just flew off. Jesus. Oh, this guy who in this car in front of me, oh my God. His left light is blown. His right is cool, but he decided to jump in front of me and go slow. I'm not really sure. A lot of people have been doing this lately. Like, I guess kind of trying to, I don't know. It's weird. I call these folks that do stuff like that, I call them traffic warriors because they slow you down. They get in front of you and then they start going slow. And then they get in the mirror and it's like some self-righteousness. They be like, I'm slowing you down. But it'd be like, well, I don't know if you're really slowing me down because I really could just go around you. So it's kind of weird that you think that you're doing something to me. But yeah, so if you're preparing to get the ND filters, man, just first off, get the right ones and then use them for settings, I guess, other than this, because that really just sucked. That just made me so mad. I'm really mad that the ND filter just flew off like that. I would think that it was on there. Like, I tried the grip at the house and it felt like it was on there, but I guess your boy was just wrong. Man, it's been a week since I rode my bike too. This feels so weird. As always, it's your boy Mr. 20 West. Peace, positivity to you, man. Let me know, what do you plan on? What's your next camera thing? What do you think is the next thing to take you to the next level?